Hey, so just a quick video to talk through that, setting up the quota based on people who come in and take the survey through an intercept. So the first thing we're going to do is just apply some embedded data to be passed into the survey just for those people who come in through an intercept. So to do this, just in your intercept, whatever intercept is leading to that survey, in each action set, if you only have one action set, you only need to do this once, but in each action set, just go to options and embedded data. Then here you can really pass through anything here at all that you want into the survey, but if there's something that you don't actually necessarily want any of this in here, just stick with a static value. Name it intercept or whatever you want, and then for the static value just say yes or one or something like just that. I'm just going to do capital and capital here as well. But yeah, so now we're passing in embedded data just for these people who take the survey or come into the survey through the intercept, passing in an embedded data field called intercept, and the value is yes. So I'm going to click save. Next, you go back into the research suite area. And now we need to add this into our survey flow as an embedded data. So I'm going to add an embedded data. I'm going to move this up to the very top. And for the field name, remember I called it intercept. Intercept. Now this is case sensitive and space sensitive, so just make sure it's the exact same. And we don't need to set a value because the value will be set from the URL that's being passed in as. So people who come in through the intercept will have a value here of yes for intercept. Also, I'm just going to add an embedded data down the bottom called good complete, and I'm going to make it equal to 1. So these are people who complete the survey. And I'm going to click save flow. So next we go into our quota section. I'm going to add a quota of however many people I want to be able to take the survey through the intercept. And I'm going to go with some simple logic, and both of these are going to be embedded data fields. So I'm going to use the intercept. Intercept is, I could say is equal to yes, or I could just say is not empty, because it's going to be empty for people who don't come in through the intercept. Plus, and embedded data, GC, good complete, is not empty as well, or is equal to 1, whichever you prefer here. So now this quota count will only increment for people who come in through an intercept and also complete the survey. And then also we just need to change this to set intercept actions and deactivate the intercept, and then whichever intercept that these people are actually coming from, just choose that in the next box that appears whenever it loads in. There we are. So just select it from here. So when 200 people come in and take the survey through an intercept, it will deactivate the intercept so no one else can come in. Obviously, people can still come in through your emails or your anonymous link if you have it out that way until you actually disable the survey altogether. But I hope that answers your question, and please just get in touch if you need anything else.